We're going to Ontario, Guasave Roll. Go say hello to Cynthia Mexivagana.
And that's the Mexican place that also sells sushi.
Yeah, sushi and Mexican food, so you know we're in for a treat.
Looking forward to it.
Oh, we made it to Guasave Roll. And they just went all vegan, so this will probably be saying vegan gourmet soon.
Just like your jacket, all vegan.
All vegan. This is where they have vegano mercado the other day. Place was packed, jumping, vegans everywhere. We need stuff out here in the IE. We need stuff worldwide. But let's go see. Vegan sushi, micheladas.
We're gonna do some behind the scenes here.
Hey guys, this is Cynthia from Mexicana. Welcome to Guasave Roll. This is my family's establishment. We focus on authentic Mexican and Mexican fusion cuisine. If you want more information, you can check our Instagram page at Guasave Roll for more information.
And I want to congratulate you for going fully vegan now. Awesome, that's so awesome. Come out support because it's all vegan.
Yeah, we just went vegan. We just went vegan this week, but I've been hosting pop-ups here since last October, and we finally made the leap. So stop by, show support, guys, here in the Inland Empire, Ontario. Whoop. Yay! They don't speak English, but I will introduce you.
Okay.
This is Chris.
Hey.
And you know Cesar.
How's it going?
Getting the flavor. Oh, but I gotta stir it one way, because if I stir it the other way, it's not gonna be good. According to my grandma.
You gotta go all
Oh, like this. If I go, it's gonna get chirgo, which means it's not good.
I've never heard that before. I'm gonna have to start doing that.
That's my grandma over there. This is more than the vegan eel sauce, vegan mayo.
That's vegan shrimp.
Yeah, that's vegan shrimp right there.
It's called a spicy corn roll or shrimp, spicy shrimp tempura.
Alright, so we have the expert here herself to tell us what's what, because we already forgot, but it looks amazing. So let's start with this one.
Okay, so these are called hummingbirds. These are stuffed jalapenos. It's our version of the jalapeno popper.
It's my favorite.
They are
so spicy.
Well, it depends on the jalapenos because we do devein them and
okay,
we
you take
the
all the seeds out.
So, yeah.
Oh, they all vary, huh?
And you know, sometimes some are spicy and sometimes some aren't. So they are battered with tempura and then fried and topped with spicy mayo and vegan eel sauce. So it has like the little umami flavor.
Ooh, like umami.
And this one right here, this is?
The mango roll. This is our most popular roll. It's a fresh roll. So it is topped with thinly sliced mango puree sauce and a little bit of eel sauce.
Okay, and this is the last one here. This is?
The caterpillar roll, which comes with avocado and also mango slices, jalapeno slices on top with some cucumber and vegan shredded crab meat.
They look amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
What's your favorite? Do you have a favorite?
Yeah, the mango roll.
Mango roll?
Yeah.
That's the most popular one.
Ooh.
Go for it.
See my skills. You guys want to see my chopstick skills?
Hummingbird. Hope it's not a hot one.
Look at that.
Oops, I already messed up.
I'm looking at the wrong thing. Oh shoot.
Is it spicy?
Whoa, well, mine's fine.
They smell spicy,
good
that's
flavor.
why.
It got that nice subtle spice, just kind of worrying me a little
Yeah,
bit.
mine's not too spicy, so
It's really good.
I lucked out on that one.
I'm gonna try some of this mango now.
And we make all of these sauces in-house.
Nice. Look at that. Mm. Wow.
I'm like a shadow.
Yeah, get in here.
Who created these recipes? You?
Yes.
That was really good. I got a little bit of spice in that. Is there spice in that?
The sriracha, yeah.
Oh,
That's sriracha.
Ooh, caterpillar time.
Jalapeno off. Mine.
Mine fell off, but I'm about to pick it up.
Okay, let's try this.
It was really good.
Some of that sauce. What kind of sauce is this?
So the eel sauce is made with some, depending, we have gluten-free if you don't like soy sauce that, you know, if you're gluten allergic. Bragg's liquid aminos. And then the other one is made with soy sauce.
That's really good. Oh, look what I found. Kombucha.
Well,
Everything's really good.
Thank you.
And I think I like the mango roll the best.
Yeah, me too, definitely. So it has mango, that's like a big popular fruit in Mexico, and as well as jalapenos. You know, every Mexican loves their spicy.
So if you guys are around this area, where are we?
Ontario.
Ontario.
The Inland Empire.
Oh yeah.
Inland Empire of California. Look them up and check them out.
Wait, but you got brunch too, right? Tomorrow?
Oh yeah, I have brunch and Taco Tuesdays, Torta Thursdays.
Ooh.
So.
And the sushi's every day now.
Sushi's every day now. Yep.
You know
We're the only vegan restaurant out here.
Yep. You know where you're gonna find me at.
So Ontario's only vegan restaurant. Here it is. We're here.
You guys would know where to find me. And there's only one left. Look at that. Oh yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Was not expecting that one. Woo!
Okay, so we didn't even know this one was coming. This is a breaded roll.
Man,
Look
did
at that.
You ordered that one?
I didn't order it. Maybe they like us. And then this is the enchilada
I ordered
mole.
that. A little preview.
Ancient Aztec chocolate sauce stirred the certain way. So
Top secret, can't tell you no. That's all you get.
We're gonna try it. We're gonna need a fork for this.
It's so nice. I don't even want to eat it. This is
I know.
like, hold on, get another shot.
You know what?
Look at that. Cynthia's laughing at us over here.
Let's try this.
Sunflower seed cheese inside.
I was about to ask about that. Sunflower seed cheese.
Homemade sunflower
Wow.
seed cheese.
That's really good.
Everything.
That's amazing.
Even these are homemade. Everything cool.
Cashew crema.
Ooh. Look at that. So you know you gotta come down here for brunch. Tomorrow is Saturday.
So that would be the sunflower seed cheese right there.
I don't know, I should be full, but I'm still eating because the flavors just keep coming. Look at that. I better hurry up and eat it before
it drops.
Cheers.
Hey, you got the whole bite.
You got the avocado too?
Yeah, he got the whole
Damn.
I can't eat anymore, so I'm gonna tap out.
Come down to Guasave Roll. Congratulate them, show love. They just went 100% vegan. I don't know when this video is gonna drop, but
It could be tomorrow.
It's
it
happening
could
in
be
April.
next year.
Yeah.
Jokester.
Cool.
Sweet.
Yay,
Nice.
thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thanks
Everything's
for
awesome.
coming,
Yeah,
guys.
thank
It was
you.
a force being with you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, Chris.
See you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Probably see us tomorrow.
I'll be here.
And that was all on tape. Hey. Oh, you want to put your fork in it? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. You should have went with full force because you just kind of went like.